How you doing, everybody, and welcome to NinjaToons, where the martial arts meets the creative arts. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, and this is today's 2-minute tip, how to draw realistic lips. So before we get into drawing realistic lips, one of the first things is how to simplify the lips to basic shapes. So when we're drawing an initial smile, what that smile line represents is the top lip and the bottom lip and the seal that it makes. Now, if we want to add in the lips themselves, one thing that we can do is just add an oval on top of that line. But if we want to add more detail, then we're going to add more of an M shape to the top of the lips and a U shape to the bottom of the lips. Now, if I zoom in, you notice that I'm drawing more of a straight line here on each edge and then a C curve. Okay? All these lines mean something. So what we're looking at here is specific planes on the lips. You have your side plane, your front plane, and your other side plane. And that's because the lips actually rest on a cylinder, which is our mouth. So if we were to draw this from a 3/4 view, we'll first draw the skull, and we're gonna draw in our jawline. We have our center line, and our center line is going to represent right here on the center of the lips. So we have our center line, we have our eye line, halfway between the brow and the chin is our nose line, and then halfway between the nose and the chin would be our lip line. So this triangle shape here represents the triangle that we drew on the frontal view. So what we're going to draw now is the top of the lip using this V shape. Then we have where the lips come together, and then we have the bottom lip. It's going to wrap around the cylinder and then we have our lip there. So what you're getting is this M shape on the top and bottom, and then our U underneath. The top lid is going to be in shadow. And then right around here, sometimes you'll get a highlight, and then you'll have a shadow right underneath the lip. Now, the difference between drawing male lips and female lips is really you want to minimize the amount of shadow that you put on the upper lip, as well as the definition on the top edge of the lip. For male lips, you may just draw in the middle line and the bottom lip here, really minimizing that top. Usually those lines are defined by things like makeup and lipstick or a lip line or something like that. And there you have it, how to draw realistic lips. Hope you've enjoyed this 2-minute tip. Thanks so much, Jillian, for that recommendation. And if you like this video, make sure you strike that like button. And if you're not a subscriber yet, smash that subscribe button. And then let us know in the comment section below. What 2-minute tip would you like the Art Ninja to address next week? Until next time, guys, remember your ABCs. Always be creating. Make it a great day, everybody, and stay tuned for more videos. Arigato.